Hey guys! Welcome to Couple. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. Sergey Brin has joined the crypto mining bandwagon. The president of Alphabet and co-founder of Google on Sunday said he's mining Ethereum with his son, according to a tweet from Forbes reporter Michael Del Castillo. The comments came at a blockchain summit held at Casbah Tamaydot, a hotel in Morocco owned by Richard Branson. Brin is the latest figure to express his enthusiasm for cryptocurrency, one of the buzziest topics in tech thanks in part to the rise of Bitcoin and its subsequent fall. While Bitcoin has captured mainstream attention, celebrities and companies alike have attempted to launch their own versions of cryptocurrencies, with mixed results. He's also reportedly fascinated with the potential of zero-knowledge proofs in which only the transaction value is revealed behind Zcash, a cryptocurrency using cryptography to improve privacy for users, according to NewsBTC. The billionaire has delved into various fields in the tech industry. He said in 2012 that Google would develop autonomous cars and they'd be available to the public in 5 years. 6 years on, we're getting closer. Last year, Brin secretly built his own airship at the NASA Ames Research Center in Mountain View, California. Alphabet didn't immediately respond to a request for comment.